Okay, so I'm doing some shower first. So I'm going to wash my face. Toner. Moisturizer. Another toner. Like another. This is like traveling, so I have like all my makeup in here, like most of my makeup. So I don't know what I want to do first. I think we're gonna do like this class, but we're gonna. So someone just texted me. I was so confused. I was so confused. I was so confused. I don't know what he. Well, I don't know what she means. We were still on our school class. Like 3 months. Are you believe this in my unders? Look how my underbags are so bad. I think I'm gonna do my bronzer. So honestly, I think don't think them. Like these look kind of what okay. And honestly, I really kind of bored because sexual is what kind of boring. And PE and I'm indoor PE. So like outdoor. Like it's like way too like, way too bad. Let me show you this. I usually get the shit I got, like, there's a huge difference. Like, this one's nothing, like, this one's, like, no. Like, use this, like, blush and this blush. Blush is really nice one, and I love the shorty blush. I can make it. I'm not going to do a part two, because I'm reading this out. You say beer. Using this blush, bronzer, because it's really good. I made two of us because it's like Photoshop. Let's go back. Come on, part two.